Next, solve one problem from the classical physics. The problem states that a massless rigid rod of length L is suspended with an ideal spring of spring constant K at one end P and by a hinge at other end Q. The rest, the rest length of the spring is 0. A mass M is suspended from the rigid midpoint of the rod. This results in tilting the rod by an angle theta. So now we need to find the angle theta. So the problem states that a massless rod of length L, one end at P is attached to a vertical spring. Therefore, the force of the spring is vertical. So, and the other end is Q is hinged. A mass M hangs from the rod midpoint. Let the angle between the rod and the horizontal be theta. We need to find or we need to get the angle theta. The displacement of the point P. Yeah, first we need to find the displacement of the point P. So first we need to find the displacement of the point P, because the rod rotates about the point Q. The vertical displacement of the point is, so the vertical displacement of point P is yp is equal to L sine theta. So it can be calculated at this angle is theta. So then next is the spring force. Since the spring force is vertical, so the F spring equal to K spring constant into Yp is equal to KL sine theta. Right. This force points upwards. So this force points upwards. The torque about the point Q. Next is the torque about the point Q. So the torque from the spring, the lever arm relative to Q is horizontal distance from Q to P. So R, we can write that L cos theta. Therefore, tau spring we can write. Therefore, we can write tau spring equal to KL sine theta into L cos theta. Or we can write that KL square sine theta into cos theta. The torque from the mass, the weight acts vertically downward. The mass is located at L by 2. So it is located at middle. So it is located from this, it is L by 2. And the lever arm is R equal to L by 2. The lever arm is L equal to L by 2. The perpendicular component is, we have the perpendicular component as sine theta. So, we have tau mass equal to L by 2 into mg sine theta. So we can write mgl by 2 sine theta. So using equilibrium condition, so using equilibrium condition, using equilibrium condition, these two torques are balanced. So that torque balance is, so tau spring equal to tau mass, or we can write A L square sine theta cos theta is equal to mgl by 2 sine theta. Will simplify since sine theta not equal to 0, we can divide by sine theta. So we can have A L square cos theta is equal to mgl by 2, or cos theta mg by 2kl, or theta we can write equal to cos inverse mg by 2kl, right? So the option C of this problem is correct option. Hope this problem and the solution are clear. So thanks a lot.